eating tomato?
Yeah, I'm eating tomato, honey.
Okay. Oh, well, let me go buy you some food, okay?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Kasi naman lagi
Alright.
kamatis ang ulam ko.
A few moments later.
Here.
Wow! Thank you!
There I go.
Yeah, Wendy's!
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, honey! Wow! Cute mo talaga. Wendy's pa talaga. Aba! May iced tea pa. Kita naman lagi nilang kamatis ang ulam ko. May pag-gravy ka pa talaga. Kamatis din naman.